Hi, Jesseb here. A FlashFill is a new feature that was added to 2013 Office 2013 Excel, and also, of course, in 365 2016. It has basically two types of uses. So I'm going to show you the first one, I think kind of the primary it was developed for. And that is when you have a bunch of columns and you would like over in the far right column, especially when you have very large spreadsheets, you would like the first column in the table, or maybe the second or third, but you would like to duplicate that table exactly as it is somewhere over to the far right of your table. So the only thing you really need to do is type the first item, whatever that first item is, do Control Enter so you don't move, and then go to the editing portion of the home ribbon, and in that group, when you click the down arrow, you'll see FlashFill. So when you click on FlashFill, notice there's a hotkey too, Control E. You'll notice it filled in everything that was in this column where EMP 123 was the starting item. So that's one way to use FlashFill. Another really cool, inventive way, I think, to use FlashFill is when you have a mixture of items in a column and you like to pull out some of those pieces. So here you'll notice I have email addresses, and what I want really is to pull out the first name and the last name out of the email. So it's really kind of a two-step process. The first step is I'm going to take Liz and Control Enter, go up to the flash field, click on it, and notice it pulled all the first names out. The second part is same thing. I'm going to type in the last name of this person, Control Enter, and then go back to my menu, grab FlashFill. There you have it. So it filled in the first name and last name for me. Really kind of cool. And if at some point you really kind of need to put those together, remember it's very easy to connect cells together in one column. You can do that with the ampersand. So if I click last name and I put in an ampersand and then maybe a double quote, comma, spacebar, double quote, and to add the second cell, that way I'm going to end up with last name, comma, first name, and I double click on the autofill. Voila, there you have it. So a nice, quick, easy way to use FlashFill. Have a great day.